Hey everyone. Hi creatives. Welcome to what did I say, Kathy? Day 10? Day
11.
11. Day 11 of our 12 days of Christmas. And this is our grand prize. So everybody who has been leaving point totals, tallying your points and leaving them, they're all going to go back in the hat for this grand prize that we will announce on day 12. So we're pretty excited about this one, right?
We are. This is one of my favorites. It's
Yes.
the VIP of the Well.
And that's the Well Conference you're talking about.
Mhm.
You want to talk about that a little bit since it's your baby and you are the founder?
Absolutely. The VIP is a special attendee. This VIP gets to do things like step in front of the line during meals
Yeah.
at the conference. They get first choice of who they want to have 15-minute meetings with. What are some other things, Victoria?
Well, they get some Well merch. I know this year they'll get a Well hat, and we'll have some other fun things for them. They
Mhm.
also get a 25% off coupon on one item at the bookstore.
Oh,
So, yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We dazzle up their name tag, and it's just a great fun thing that we like to do for attendees of the Well.
it is, and
Yes.
it's been fun every year.
Yes. Now, if you're not familiar with the Well, that is a conference that we hold yearly for creatives. We have breakout sessions in music, art, theater and film, writing and speaking. We also have support tracks there that are breakout sessions to fill the bucket of creatives like personal and spiritual growth, biblical studies. We also have a marketing classes so that you can learn to market your creative gifts. We have keynote speakers, a celebration of the arts, which is one of our favorite things. It's kind of like a talent show, if you will. But it's a wonderful conference that we hold every year, that our ministry holds. And Kathy is the founder, and it's just grown year after year. And so we'd love for you to come.
We would.
And then this is where the VIP comes into play, because if you're an attendee of the Well and you're the VIP attendee, you get to take advantage of all the goodies in this package. Now, in order to play, if you haven't been following us yet, I know many of you have, and we've had a lot of fun and given away a lot of prizes, but you will just have to look at the captions in the comments to learn more about the contest that we're doing right now and how you could win this VIP package.
You won't be sorry.
We also have some coupons for everyone who participates in this 12 days of Christmas. You are able to get $100 worth of coupons toward your registration for the Well. And if you've already registered for the Well, you can take those $100 worth of coupons and you can gift them to someone else. And right now we're in discounted pricing, which is $50 less than the regular price. So with the coupons plus the discounted pricing, it's $150 off the regular registration.
You
So if
can't
you're
beat that.
thinking, I know. So if you're thinking about coming to the Well Conference, April 30th through May 2nd, now is a good time to get registered, especially if you win the VIP, right, Kathy?
Oh, absolutely.
Well, we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and we hope to see you
At the Well.
at the Well. Bye, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.